Hi everybody and welcome back to the Christmas build-up at the Big Oggie Bakehouse. So today we are doing something for Christmas, or we're preparing it for our Christmas, and it's a James Martin's recipe and it is red grape chutney. We saw it on one of his programs on the television and it looks amazing, so we're going to give it a go.
Yeah, the programme was a few years ago, but everything will be fine and it's still the same.
Yeah, and the recipe wasn't actually a recipe that stood on its own. It was an accompaniment that he made to go with cheese nuggets. So our family loves cheese and cheese nuggets sound divine. So we will be making cheese nuggets at some point, but as with any chutney or pickle, the longer you leave it, the better the flavours sort of mingle. So we're making it now. It's the end of November, and hopefully by Christmas it'll be fantastic to have with cheese and turkey and any other cold meats as well. So give it a go, let me know.
They did say on the film that we watched that you can actually eat it straight away, and I think he did do that at the time.
He did do it at the time,
but
yeah.
Then it gets better. It gets better with age. So
it's the first time I've made chutney, to be fair, so let's see how it turns out. So for the ingredients you are going to need 100 grams of light brown sugar, 1 onion finely chopped, 100 grams of sultanas, 150 mils of sherry vinegar, 2 tomatoes roughly chopped, 300 grams of red seedless grapes, if they're big, half them, salt and freshly ground pepper. As you'll see, we have quite a lot of ingredients because we are doubling up so that we can prepare some for my parents also. So this is double everything here. If you do a single amount, you will make 1 jar and possibly a little bit left over. With our ingredients, we've managed to make 2 jars, small Kilner jars, and a little bit left over. So the method for this chutney is really easy. All you do is you put your sugar into a large, quite deep frying pan and put it on the heat over medium to low, and you're going to let your sugar caramelise. They say you shouldn't stir it. Yeah, I've seen chefs stirring it. They say you should swirl it. I tried to swirl it and you will see this, but it doesn't really move. So just do your best. Once your sugar has caramelised, you then add your onions and sultanas and the sherry vinegar. You then give it a good stir with a wooden spoon. I found as soon as I added my vinegar, my caramelised sugar went hard, but I don't think you need to worry about that because it does melt back out again. So you give it a little bubble around for about 5 minutes or so, and then you add your grapes and tomatoes. At that point you need to let it bubble quite vigorously, I would say, for it says between 12 and 15 minutes. But bearing in mind that I doubled up my ingredients, ours was bubbling away for a good half an hour, if not slightly longer. And I guess it really depends on personal taste whether you want a nice thick pickle or chutney, or whether you don't mind it being a bit looser. So once it's all cooked down, and for me, once I can pull a wooden spoon through it and it doesn't immediately cover back up, that's thick enough for me. And that's really it. You add your salt and pepper to taste, and then you put it into your hot sterilised jars. To sterilise our jars, we put them in the dishwasher, which is the easiest way really. You can do that. You can boil them in boiling water for 5 minutes. You can give them a good soapy wash, rinse them and put them onto a baking sheet and put them into your oven at about 160 to 180 for 10 to 15 minutes. And all of those methods will sterilise your jar safely. Please remember your lids. If you can't put your lids into the oven, as our seals are Kilner jars, so they're obviously rubber and they can't go into the oven, you can just put those into boiling water. So that is red grape chutney. I hope you really enjoy it. Here's to Christmas, and I hope you have a good one. See you all again soon. Oh, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when we're on again next. See you soon, guys. Bye for now.